Okay guys, today we're looking at the Dusit Thani Pattaya Hotel. This hotel is 5 stars. It's got an 8.6 out of 10 rating on Agoda, and that's with more than 12,000 reviews. It's located in North Pattaya, right at the Dolphin Roundabout. It's right where Beach Road, Second Road, North Pattaya Road, and the Pattaya Naklua Road all meet. It's an amazing location. The Dusit Thani Pattaya is a luxury 5-star hotel located in the vibrant city of Pattaya, Thailand. With its stunning views of the Gulf of Thailand and its convenient location near the city center, this hotel offers a perfect blend of relaxation and excitement for both leisure and business travelers. Step into the elegant lobby of the Dusit Thani Pattaya and be greeted by a warm and friendly staff ready to cater to your every need. The hotel has 457 beautifully appointed rooms, each designed with modern sophistication and a Thai-inspired accent. Whether you choose a spacious deluxe room or indulge in the luxurious comforts of a suite, you can expect a restful and rejuvenating stay. The Dusit Thani Pattaya takes pride in its commitment to excellence, which is evident from its renovations in 2019. Conveniently located 2 kilometers from the city center, Dusit Thani Pattaya provides easy access to Pattaya's bustling shopping districts, vibrant nightlife, and popular attractions. If you're arriving by air, the hotel is approximately 2 hours away from the airport. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway or a family adventure, or a business retreat, this hotel promises an unforgettable stay in the art of Pattaya. I've never stayed at this hotel. I went there once for a business meeting. It's got to be 18 years ago. It's a beautiful hotel, that's for sure. In my opinion, the best part of this hotel is its location. It's not in the heart of the city, but it's minutes away from everything. It's 3 kilometers from Walking Street. It's a 5-minute walk to the beach, right on Beach Road. Just a few minutes from Pattaya Second Road, shopping malls. Everything is very close, and it's very easy to get a taxi out of there. Plus the hotel offers a taxi service as well, so very easy to get around. It's an amazing location, and they have access to a private beach. A friend of mine stayed there for 3 nights last year. He said it's an amazing hotel and their breakfast buffet is the best he ever had. The starting price here is around 7,500 baht a night, and that does include breakfast, but it's a garden view. The price does go up dramatically if you get into the suites. A 2-bedroom suite is more than 13,000 baht, so it's a little pricey, that's for sure, but beautiful, beautiful rooms. Like I said, for me, the location is the best part here. It's minutes away from everything, easy access to everything. The Bot bus drives right by there constantly, all day, all night, so it's really easy to get in and out of if you're not driving. I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to get more information, or check the prices on your dates. Like any hotel, the price changes constantly. In my opinion, this is a beautiful hotel, and if you're going to be in Pattaya and you don't mind spending a little bit extra, this is one that you should consider.